Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment that says thanks. It really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that'll take you to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I'm going to share with you is a great transmitter and receiver kit for your computer, connecting to TVs, game consoles, cameras, etc. It's by a company called AIMIBO. This is the box it comes in once you order it. And then once you open it up, you're of course going to get an instruction manual that tells you how to utilize it. You are going to get a transmitter, which is the device that says TX. So this is what you're going to hook up to your computer or your camera if you're using it on that. And then you're going to get a receiver, which is called RX. And you can see they have these nice little antennas on here. That's because these things have a range of approximately 165 feet. So that way you have a full coverage. So if you are out doing like a photo shoot and you want to have multiple monitors hooked up to this, you've got a range to do that with the camera and basically the monitors being further away. Or if you have a conference room set up, which is a big perk with this little thing right here, it can easily transmit from your laptop at the conference room table up to the receiver that's plugged into the TV. Now, this does allow up to 4 different receivers. Now, this kit only includes 1 receiver, but you can buy additional receivers and hook them up to 4 of them. The only thing you note, you have to go ahead and pair those additional receivers to this transmitter. Otherwise, if you just have the 1 device here, it is plug and play and simple and easy to utilize. So you get these 2 things. In addition to that, you are going to get a pair of cables here. So one of the cables is an HDMI to HDMI. So you're going to plug this into your transmitter or your receiver and then plug it into your laptop or your device. And then you are going to also get a USB to USB Type-C, a little cable here. This is what's going to give the device power. So once again, you will plug this, the USB Type-C will go into the little device here, and then the USB plug will go either into your laptop or it will go into one of the other external devices. So if you're using a camera or something like that, you would utilize that aspect of it. Now, in addition to that, they do include 2 little HDMI adapters. So depending on what you are hooking it up to, they have the mini HDMI. So this will work great if you have like some tablets or you do have a camera. Some of the cameras use this. And then you have like the little micro HDMI little plug-in here. This is also really popular on cameras. So that way you can convert this and utilize it as you need to. Now, these devices can basically transmit, they transmit over a 5G wireless signal, and it can do 1080p HD. So if you are utilizing this and you are playing HD content, you can transmit that HD content. Another thing to note, like if you do have this hooked up to like your laptop or your tablet or whatnot, it does work with streaming devices out there. It's not like blocked or anything like that. So it's because basically just casting that image from your device onto the TV, which is a great little solution. I have noticed when you are transmitting, I don't find any delay or latency on it. According to the specs, it's 0.1 is what the rating actual is of the delay. Obviously, my eyes can't pick that up. So that is another really important feature on this little guy. As far as if you want to also have this set up on your phone or your tablet, you can connect to these little devices via their app. So that's also another actual perk of this thing. So let's say you have the transmitter, you can have the transmitter and then you can be sending it to 4 screens, and then you can also be utilizing your touchscreen tablet or your phone, which is just another nice little feature. It is transmitting to it, so you're not being able to like edit and all that kind of stuff. It is kind of like a screen mirroring, if you will, which just makes it great for collaboration. And like I said, like I heavily use also in conference rooms. So if you want to do a presentation up on the TV, that's the best place because you can control on your computer, or if you have it hooked up to a camera, That way you can monitor your photo shoot and things like that, but you can also use it on gaming consoles and other devices like so. But overall, this is a great little kit. If you are trying to figure out a solution of connecting your laptop to a external monitor that is wireless, I think these are totally worth checking out. If there's something that I didn't quite cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. And that is it until the next video. You guys take it easy. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.